Okay, now this is exercise 8.4. In that question number 1 is express the trigonometric ratio sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. Okay, now we want sin A value in terms of cot A. Now for that we can use that third trigonometric identity 1 plus cot square A equal to cosecant square A. After that we write cosecant, then we write sine. Sine means the reciprocal of cosecant. Na? So first right here we know that 1 plus cot square A equal to cosecant square A. Now what is the value of cosecant A? Cosecant A can be written as square root of 1 plus cot square A. But we want sine A. Na? So cosecant can be written as 1 by sine A. So 1 by sin A equal to root of 1 plus cot square A. Therefore, sin A equal to 1 divided by square root of 1 plus cot square A. That is the answer. And coming to second one, we know that 1 plus tan square A equal to secant square A. Now what is the value of secant A? Secant A can be written as square root of 1 plus tan square A. But we want in terms of cot. So tan can be written as 1 by cot. Then how to write this one? Square root of 1 plus 1 by cot square A. So square root of, what is that? 1 into cot square A. And then plus 1 divide by again cot square A. Same value can be written as 1 plus cot square A divided by cot A. Why? Because root of cot square A equal to cot A. Okay. And coming to third one. So tan A in terms of cot means that can be written as 1 by cot A. That is the answer. Okay. Now question number 2. Write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secant A. Other trigonometric ratios means other than secant A. Remaining 5 are there: sin, cos, tan, cosecant, cot. Okay. Now we can take the first one. What is that? Sin A. But how to write sin A value in terms of secant A? So for that one standard formula is there. Na? What is the standard formula? Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Now what is the value of sin square A? That can be written as 1 minus cos square A. Right? And what is the value of sin A? Sin A can be written as square root of 1 minus cos square A. But we want this value in terms of sin. Then how to write that? Square root of 1 minus, it is secant square A. And here 1 can be written as 1 by 1. Then LCM is secant square A. Right? And as 1 into secant square A is secant square A. Then minus 1. So that can be written as root of secant square A minus 1 divided by secant A. So sin A value is in terms of secant. And coming to second one, what is that? Cos A. So cos A can be written as 1 by secant A. It's over. And coming to third one, that is tan. For this we can use this formula. 1 plus tan square A equal to, what is that? Secant square A. So we want tan square A now. Tan square A can be written as secant square A minus 1. Then we want tan A. So tan A can be written as, what is that? Square root of secant square A minus 1. So that is the answer for third one. And coming to fourth one, what is that? Cosecant. So generally cosecant A can be written as 1 by sin A. And we know very well about the value of sin A. This is the value. Now here 1 by sin A means how to write this? 1 by square root of secant square A minus 1 divided by, what is that? Secant A now? And this can be written as secant A divided by square root of secant square A minus 1. That is the answer. So sin is over, cos is over, and cosecant is over. But tan is also over, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4 is over. And last one is, what is that? Cot. So how to write cot value? So this is tan A. So cot can be written as 1 by tan A. But what's the value of tan A here? This is the value. So that can be written as 1 by square root of secant square a minus 1. So all are in terms of what is the secant a. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, now this is question number 3. Evaluate in that first sub question sin square 63 plus sin square 27 divided by cos square 17 plus cos square 73 degrees. And second one is sin 25 degrees cos 65 degrees plus cos 25 degrees into sin 65 degrees. Clear? Now how to simplify this? Just take first question. What is that first one? Given value sin square 63 plus sin square 27 divided by cos square 17 plus cos square 73 degrees. Now this can be written as sin of 63 whole square. Second one is also same. Sin 27 degrees, so again power 2. Denominator, if you want you can write like that, otherwise write as it is, no problem. So cos 17 degrees whole power 2 and again cos 73 degrees again whole power 2. And sin of 90 degrees minus 27 degrees is 63, right? And it is same. What is that? Sin 27 degrees whole square. Coming to denominator, cos of 90 degrees minus 73 degrees, then whole power 2 plus cos 73 degrees again whole power 2. So sin of 90 minus a equal to cos a. So it is cos 27 degrees whole square plus sin 27 degrees whole square divided by cos of 90 minus a sin a. So sin 73 degrees whole square plus cos 73 degrees whole square. It is 73. Clear? And first term of the numerator cos square root 27 degrees, sin square root 27 degrees. Similarly denominator, what is that? Sin square 73 degrees plus cos square 73 degrees. So sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Then numerator is equal to 1. Again denominator is also 1. 1 by 1 equal to 1. Okay, now question number 2 in third line. That is second sub question. What is the value here? Sin 25 degrees cos 65 degrees plus cos 25 degrees sin 65 degrees. This is the given value. And here 25 can be written as 90 minus 65, right? Into cos 65 degrees plus cos of 25 can be written as 90 minus 65 into sin 65. No changes in that. And sin of 90 minus a is cos a. So cos 65 into cos 65 plus cos of 90 minus a sin a. Sin 65 again into sin 65 degrees. So cos into cos is cos square. So cos square 65 degrees plus sin square 65 degrees. So cos square a plus sin square a equal to 1. That is the answer. This is fourth question. Choose the correct option. Justify your choice. In that, first one is 9 secant square a minus 9 tan square a. Now this is the standard formula. We know that 1 plus tan square a equal to what is that? Secant square a. And from this we get secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. And what is the value here? 9 secant square a minus 9 tan square a. In this 9 is common. What is the remaining value? Secant square a minus tan square a. Now what is the value of secant square a minus tan square a? That is 1. So 9 into 1 equal to 9. So that answer is B. Okay. Now this is second question. Given value is 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Now 1 plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. And here it is 1 by cos theta into 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta, then minus 1 by sin theta, and here LCM is cos theta for first value. Okay, so just write here cos theta, and coming to this 1 into cos theta is cos theta, right, plus sin theta, then plus 1. This is first value. And coming to second value, again LCM is here sin theta. Now 1 into sin theta is sin theta plus cos theta, then minus 1. Okay. Now this is a form of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So how to write that? A square means cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Then minus b square means 1 square. Divide by denominator is cos theta into sin theta. Is it clear? Now cos theta plus sin theta is a. 1 is b. So a plus b. A minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, where a equal to cos theta plus sin theta, b equal to 1. Now just expand this value. That is the form of a plus b whole square now. A square means cos square theta, b square means sin square theta, 2ab 2 sin theta cos theta, minus 1 divide by, it is cos theta into sin theta, and cos square plus sin square is equal to 1. Then it is 2 sin theta into cos theta, then minus 1. Denominator, what is that? Cos theta into sin theta. Now plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, right? What's the remaining value here? So 2 into sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Now both are gets cancelled, we get 2. So there is answer. Answer is C. Now this is third question. What's the value here? Secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. And secant can be written as 1 by cos, right? Tan can be written as sin by cos. That is sin A divided by cos A into, what is that? 1 minus sin A. And just take LCM for the first term, that is cos A. So write here cos A. And coming to numerator, that is 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. Now how to write this? This is the form of a plus b into a minus b now. So a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. So 1 square minus sin square A divided by cos A. And this is the formula. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to, what is that? 1. So cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. So this is the formula. So how to write it? 1 minus sin square A can be written as cos square A divided by cos A. Okay. Now cos A gets cancelled. Remaining value is cos A, and it is equal to D. That is the answer. Okay. Now question number 4. 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cos square A. Both are standard formulas, right? What is the value of this trigonometric identity? 1 plus tan square A equal to secant square A. And second one, 1 plus cos square A equal to cosecant square A. Right? Now given value is 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 minus 1 plus cos square A. Right? Now what is 1 plus tan square A? It is secant square A. And 1 plus cos square A is cosecant square A. And secant square can be written as 1 by cos square A. Right? And here 1 by cosecant square A, that can be written as sin square A. Now it is sin square A by cos square A. Sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. Sin square A by cos square A is equal to tan square A. So that answer is D. Okay, now this is fourth question. Prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. In that, this is the first question. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now I'm taking left hand side value. Okay. What is that? LHS equal to cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. And here cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. And cot theta can be written as cos theta divided by sin theta. So these are the formulas. Okay. And how to write this? 1 by sin theta and minus cos theta by sin theta. Okay. Then whole power 2. Now just to take LCM for that. So LCM is sin means it is sin theta. And coming to this numerator, first value is 1 minus second value is cos theta. Then whole power 2. Now a by b whole power m. There is one formula. A divided by b whole power m, that can be written as a power m divided by b power m. Okay. And by using that formula, how to write this? 1 minus cos theta whole power 2 and the denominator is sin square theta. And again sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Now it is 1 minus cos theta whole square. Actually that can be written as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Like a square equal to a into a. And coming to denominator, 1 minus what is that? Cos square theta. And again this is the form of a square minus b square. I am writing here. Now numerator is what is that? 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, right? And coming to denominator, a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So how to write this denominator? A means 1 plus cos theta into a minus b means 1 minus cos theta. Now this term gets cancelled, and what's the remaining value? 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, and it is equal to RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. That is the answer. Okay, now this is second sub question in fourth main. The left hand side value is first term cos A divided by 1 plus sin A, and the second term is 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Now just to take LCM for that. So LCM means 1 plus sin A into cos A. Clear? And the cross multiplication, cos A into cos A is cos square A. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 plus sin A whole power 2, means whole square. First term is same. What is that? Cos square A. And coming to this is the form of a plus b whole square. A square, b square, 2ab. So 2 into a is 1, right? Into sin A. Actually 1 is not required. Directly we can write 2 sin A also, no problem. And coming to denominator, what is that? 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus sin A then into cos A. And here what is the value of cos square A plus sin square A? That is equal to what? So 1. Again 1 is there, man. Plus 2 sin A. Na? Then what is the denominator? So 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay. So if you want, just write here sin square A plus cos square A is equal to, what is that? 1, right? And 1 plus 1 is 2. I am writing here. So this is 2 plus 2 sin A. 2 plus 2 sin A. And denominator 1 plus sin A into cos A. Right? In this 2 is common in numerator. What's the remaining value? 1 plus sin A. And coming to denominator, 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now 1 plus sin A gets cancelled. What's the remaining value? 2 by cos A. Na? Right? So what is the value of 1 by cos A? Secant A. So this is equal to, what is that? Right hand side value RHS. If you want that formula, just write here secant A equal to, what is that? 1 by cos A. That is the answer. So LHS equal to RHS. Okay, now this is third question. So LHS equal to, first term is tan theta by 1 minus cos theta, plus second one cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. Generally tan can be written as sin by cos. Okay, so right here sin theta by cos theta. Coming to denominator, 1 minus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Plus here cot can be written as cos by sin, right? And coming to denominator, 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Now it is same, numerator same, don't change that. What is that? Sin theta by cos theta, na? And coming to denominator, just to take LCM for this. So here it is sin theta and cross multiplication. 1 into sin theta is sin theta, then minus cos theta. Coming to second term, again numerator is same. What is that? Cos theta by sin theta. Again take LCM for the denominator, that is cos theta. So 1 into cos theta is cos theta, then minus sin theta. Now first write numerator, what is the sin theta divided by cos theta, na? Into, if you write this fractional value in numerator, both numerator and denominator can be interchanged. So it is sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta. And coming to second term, it is same numerator value. What is that? Cos theta divided by sin theta into, again write this whole fractional value in numerator, then we get cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Clear? Now, so sin into sin is how much? Sin square theta, na? So just write here sin square theta divided by, what is the denominator? Cos theta into, right? Sin theta minus cos theta. And in second term, what I am doing? So I am taking minus common. Why? Because if you take minus common. Okay, now question number 4. First I am taking left hand side value. Okay. What is that LHS value? 1 plus secant A divided by secant A. Now split both the terms, both the values. First one can be written as 1 by secant A. Second one is secant A divided by secant A. Both are gets cancelled. And 1 by secant A can be written as cos A plus 1. So that can be written as 1 plus cos A. And coming to right hand side, so sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. How to write sin square A? That is the formula, na? 1 minus cos square A. If you want, write here sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. And what's the denominator? That is 1 minus cos A. Clear? Now how to write this value? So here, this is the form of A square minus B square, na? What is the value of A square minus B square? That is A plus B into A minus B. So this can be written as 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A divided by, what is the denominator? 1 minus cos A. Now both are gets cancelled. So that equal to 1 plus cos A. So now what is the conclusion? LHS equal to RHS. Both are equal. Here 1 plus cos A, here also 1 plus cos A. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. Just write that. Okay, this is fifth question. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 equal to cosecant A plus cot A. Using the identity, what is that? Cosecant square A equal to cot square A plus 1. So first take the given identity. What is that? Given that cosecant square A equal to cot square A plus 1. And this can be written as cosecant square A minus cot square A equal to 1. Now left hand side value. What is that? Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Now dividing both numerator and denominator by sin A. Otherwise just take sin A common in both numerator and denominator. So that can be written as sin A into cos A by sin A minus 1 plus 1 by sin A. And the same for denominator. What is that? Sin A is common. Then first term is cos A by sin A. And what about second one? Plus 1 minus 1 by sin A. Now here sin A gets cancelled. And cos A by sin A can be written as cot A minus 1 plus 1 by sin can be written as cosecant. So cosecant A divided by again cos A by sin A, that is cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. And here first write these two terms. What is that? Cot A plus cosecant A, right? Then minus 1. And coming to denominator, cot A minus cosecant A, clear? Then plus 1. And now see, cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Just substitute here in numerator. Don't substitute in denominator, okay? Now how to write this? Cot A plus cosecant A minus of, what is that? 1 means cosecant square A minus cot square A. So just write here cosecant square A minus cot square A. And the denominator is same. What is that? Cot A and minus cosecant A, right? Then plus 1. And again here, first term of the numerator, that is same, cot A plus cosecant A. And coming to this is the form of A square minus B square. So A plus B into A minus B. A plus B cosecant A plus cot A, right? Into A minus B. I am writing here cosecant A minus cot A, right? Divide by same denominator value, that is cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. Now see, in these two, which is the common value? Cot A plus cosecant A is the common. So if cot A plus cosecant A is common, what is the remaining? So this coefficient is 1 and minus cosecant A, right? And minus of minus plus cot A. And what is the value of denominator? That is cot A minus cosecant A, then plus 1. Now both are gets cancelled. Then what is the remaining value? Cot A plus cosecant A. And it is equal to right hand side value. So LH is equal to RHS. Okay, this is 6th question. Square root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A equal to secant A plus tan A. Now just take that left hand side value. What is that? LHS equal to square root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A. Now do one thing. Just rationalize the denominator. What is the meaning of that? We have to multiply both numerator and denominator with or by 1 plus sin A. Got it? Then how to write it? Square root of, first term is 1 plus sin A. And we are rationalizing the denominator now. Again we get 1 plus sin A. And coming to denominator, what is that? 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Right? And here A plus B whole square, na? That is square root of 1 plus sin A whole power 2 divided by A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square, right? And this one square root of 1 plus sin A whole power 2. And coming to denominator, 1 minus sin square A can be written as cos square A. If you want, just write here cos square A equal to, what is that? 1 minus sin square A. So that is the formula. And for this square root cancel. For this also square root cancelling. Otherwise just write like this. So square root of 1 plus sin A divided by cos A, then whole power 2. Now square root to square cancel. What is the remaining value? 1 plus sin A divided by, what is that? Cos A. Now what is the first term? 1 by cos A. And the second term sin A divided by cos A. Just we splitted both the values, okay? 1 by cos A can be written as secant A. Sin A by cos A can be written as tan A. So if you want, just write here secant A equal to 1 by cos A. And tan A equal to what is that? Sin A divided by cos A. Clear? Now this is equal to right hand side value. That is the answer. Okay, now this is 7th question. So now I am taking left hand side value. What is that left hand side value? Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. And coming to denominator, what is that? 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. And sin theta is common in numerator, right? What is the remaining? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Coming to denominator, cos theta is common. Then what is the remaining here? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Again sin theta into. So here this can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta. Then minus, what is that? 2 sin square theta. Na? So just write that value. And coming to denominator, how to write that? So cos theta into, okay, so it is 2 cos square theta, then minus 1 can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta. Clear? Now sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta, and cos square theta, and sin square minus 2 sin square can be written as minus sin square theta divided by, what is the denominator? So 2 cos square theta minus into plus minus cos square theta. 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta can be written as cos square theta. Then minus sin square theta. Now both are gets cancelled, equal to tan theta, that equal to, what is that? RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. That is the answer.